Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. We are seeing ultimately pyramid shaped Indian Ocean puja conch. Indian Ocean puja will never be in such a shape. See, perfect in the shape of pyramid, perfect in the shape of pyramid, and it is perfect in the shape of cone. In the perfect in the shape of pyramid and perfect in the shape of cone. It is perfect triangle. In this such a shape, you can never see Indian Ocean conch. You can never see in the shape Indian Ocean conch. It is an extremely powerful puja conch. Extremely powerful puja conch. I have 3 lines. Okay. Basically, Indian conch will be like this only. It will be tapering end and tapering end. Never in the triangle shape. Never in the triangle shape. Indian Ocean you can never see in the triangle shape. But this conch is amazingly miracle, perfect in the shape of triangle. So perfect in the shape of pyramid, perfect in the shape of cone. Extremely beautiful conch, extremely beautiful, unbelievable formation, unbelievable formation. Only one piece in the world, pyramid Indian Ocean puja conch from Indian Ocean with 3 lines. Extremely beautiful. How pyramid? By just having this conch in puja enough, you will feel extreme high power from this conch. You will feel extreme high power from this conch. Beautiful formation, beautiful formation. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.